YouTube, this is Natural Luxe Diva. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in to do a small collective haul video. We're preparing to go to Jamaica pretty soon, so I picked up a few items and I thought I would come in and share it with you. And these other things that I have are just things for the house. I have something from Louis Vuitton, which is actually my first purchase of the year. Coach, Dillards. I have something from Macy's, Target, Yankee Candle, and I got a blessing from two beautiful ladies, and I thought I would share it in this video. Yankee Candle was having a sale on their small candles, and I purchased 4, but I could only find 3. I have no idea where it is. I'm not sure if it rolled under the car, but I'm going to show you the 3 that I have. The first 2 I have is Rainbow Cookie. This is Peaches and Cream. The 4th one that I got is the white candle, and it smells a lot like sweet sugar cookies. I can't remember the name of it, but if I find it, I will upload it in this video as well. The next thing is from the Dollar Tree, and it's the stackable organizing drawers. These look just like the drawers that you get from the Container Store or any home goods store. The next item I got is from MAC Cosmetics, and this was actually a surprise gift from one of my dear friends. Thank you so much, because it was so unexpected and so sweet, and I really appreciate it. This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. The color is called Recollection, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The next item is from Target, and I've had this now for about 4.5 weeks, and here they are. They are so pretty. It's a velvety texture, and the color is called Blush. Okay, the next thing I have is for travel, but it's also for home. They're by Olay. These are the individual face washcloths, and that's the reason I purchased this, so that I could store the washcloths inside of it to keep them nice and clean and dry. The next place is Dillards. I got a new pair of sunnies, and this is called Circus by Sam Edelman. They have the silver tone frames, and they are like the squared shaped Ray-Bans. I absolutely love these. I like the fact that they look like Ray-Bans, but they are in a square shape, and I think this frame fits my face a lot better. Next is Macy's, and I picked up 1 item for travel. This is the YSL Mon Paris Eau de Parfum. I may be pronouncing it wrong, but I think you get the gist of it. And this is in the travel size. And here's what the bottle looks like. The top comes off, and I love the fact that it's a spray instead of a roller ball. The next item is from Coach. It's a nice Coach drawstring bag. I have a beautiful scarf. I absolutely love the shape of it because I purchased it to wear it on my head. And last but not least, I got something from Louis Vuitton. This is my first Louis purchase for 2018. Also, this is an item that's been on my wish list for about 3 years. Here's the envelope, and here's the box. Here's the dust bag. I got the monogram passport cover. I have been looking at this thing for a while, and I really wanted it, but I did not want to pay the price. And you know, sometimes if you wait too long, Louis Vuitton prices can go up. Here's the opening for the passport to go inside. But I also love the fact that you could put 3 or 4 credit cards inside of it. The SA at Louis Vuitton said this was the last one that they had in the monogram print, so I'm really happy that I got it when I did. Also, I love the fact that this was made in France. I have the passport inside of it. I'm not sure if I have it in there right, but I'll be playing with it to make sure that it closes right. So now I can mark this off of my wish list, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection. I still have a couple of bags on my wish list, as well as some other accessories. Right now, I have other things that's more of a priority than that. But believe me, when I do make that purchase, I'll be coming in to share it with all of you. Okay, so that's going to be it for my collective haul. If you are a person that's gone through a lot of disappointments and hurts in your life, and now you've become distrusting because of that hurt, I just want to say to you, be the change that you want to see. I realize that it's not easy to do that because if you open up your heart, you feel like you'll be let down again. But there are good people in this world, and that includes you. You may not affect everybody, but I guarantee you there will be somebody that you'll change through your kindness, and it'll be reciprocated back to you. So that's it. I hope that you all have a wonderful, blessed, and safe week. You all take care. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.